What's going on, people? So this is an update on my LED lighting install in my dining room. So right now, as you can see, I have the holes with metal lathed, and I'm putting in the plaster. So I put in plaster. I'm putting in plaster right now. So I have the lights installed. So I'll be putting in the plaster and giving it a day to rest, and then tomorrow I'll come in, I'll sand it down, and then I will um, put in the joint compound, smooth it out, and prepare it for painting. So I'm going to spackle. I'm going to plaster. I'm going to spackle some of these other areas with joint compound and tape, and um, and then tomorrow I'll throw on a second coat, sand, second coat, and I say within the next 2 to 3 days it should be sanded down and prepared for painting. So I should have this painted within 3 days or so. And with that, I say peace.